Bless up the viewers and subscribers. How you all doing? You know it's Links 007T to the V. So I know most of you would have seen the viral video that is taking place online with dancehall entertainer Silk Boss. A very sad situation, and it just goes to show you the level of respect that people have for these upcoming dancehall entertainers. It's a very unfortunate situation to have seen these individuals engaging in such act against the boss, physically assaulting the DJ, and they have their own reason as to why they're doing it. But guess what? At the end of the day, the reason is not even a valid reason for the entertainer to be enduring such thing. And when you look on what transpired in the video and what has been going on online as it relates to the whole entire situation, it's not a good look for the dancehall entertainer. However, this is a lesson for him, and he just basically have to learn from here on and decide what type of friend he wants to keep, because at the end of the day, the gangster lifestyle and the gangster liberty, it doesn't make any sense at all. Because if you want to live this level of gangster lifestyle, there are certain things that comes with it, and this is one of the things that comes with it. Because when these individuals believe as if you're violated them in some form or shape, then that is going to be the repercussion of what's to come. So they said that the boss violated them in some way. However, the reason given is not one reason that they could say is a credible reason. However, what happened has happened, and the dancehall entertainer just have to know that he's gonna have to basically move on from this. He can't let this be a deterrent for his musical career. He just have to bounce back from this and actually just try to put some real good music out there, and try to put some more positive music out there within the dancehall space itself, because we have seen how the music has changed this individual's life. We have seen how the music has caused these individuals to portray a certain type of lifestyle, which is very sad, and it's a very unfortunate situation to have seen the dancehall entertainer enduring in such acts of violence and being a part of this whole entire situation that took place. It's just a sad thing to see the dancehall entertainer in such a predicament. However, he have to bounce back from this, try to put his career in front of him, and just try his very best in order to portray himself as a positive role model for the upcoming dancehall entertainers. Even him himself, he's an upcoming dancehall entertainer. He's not really out there that much as yet, so you have to know what he's doing. You have to know the type of friends that he's keeping, and you just have to try his very best to do some positive things with his life, because what happened here could have gone far worse. The entertainer could have lost his life. It didn't have to went down the way it did. It could have gone far worse based on what we see transpired in those musical in the videos themselves. So within that said, we just have to just know that what happened is sad, and you just have to bounce back and move on from this. Drop it in the comment section, though. Let me know how you feel about this story. Alright, peace out, bless.